no, like I used to, it's like they be rubbing. And I'm like, I'm too damn skinny. I'm about to start a fire.
So I'll be like,
Oh wow, yeah. Look how pretty she is.
Look how pretty. Oh, the sun messing up the frame. There we go. Look how pretty. Hold on. Almost there.
They're friendly.
Look at the Pachi.
no, like, when
She was just.
I'll go out with you.
I'm gonna sit. I'm gonna sit.
Uh-huh. You behind my head.
I know.
But not very.
You've done some
Look how pretty.
pretty.
Cause it do smell good.
It actually smells really good. Like I would put this in.
It don't smell like butt a little bit.
This the good air.
Yeah, it really is. It smells good.
You mean the air here?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really fresh.
Fresh air.
Yeah.
Y'all see this monkey? Hold on, let me zoom in.
I don't know. That zoom in is trash.
Yeah, my girl, you should have seen mine. I actually could have worn my ankle weights for this. No.
Going to the woods now.
Are we going in? Yay!
Into the woods.
Destroy it. Yeah.
To build stuff. Yeah.
What's the house?
We in the woods. Into the woods to grandmother's house. Into the woods to sell the cow. Okay, let me put my phone up so I can focus so I don't die.
Be careful, so you don't roll your ankle on the root.
Ooh, into the leaves. Back to hiking.
Oh my goodness, Kayla, what is that next to you? Oh, it didn't work. I tried to scare you. It didn't work. I wanted YouTube to see how scary you was.
Ooh, geez. Yeah, cave going, cave hiking. Not for me. I was scared, so yup, came back down. I'm sorry. I would have got some cool footage, but I cannot. Stressing me out. I'm not doing it. But when y'all come to Rio, y'all can come to the caves. They real pretty on the outside. It's where the scared people sit, I guess. I asked them next time to take y'all with them so that y'all could see. But it's a lot of, yeah, no. Oh, not the flash on.
Lost cave.
Lost cave.
But it's not very, it's just this. So this small ones, like they have some snakes, so it's not good
some
to
snakes.
to pass on the night.
No, thanks, ya.
Most of the animals go out at night.
Yeah.
Most what?
Most of the animals go out at night.
Oh, so y'all don't know what's out here then? Because y'all not out here at night. That's what you're telling me.
You know how to start a fire, huh?
Damn.
We'll have a toilet on the X going on.
Oh, I see now.
Nobody usually have some people here.
Rock climbing, I'm scared of.
Hide it.
And what's the name of this cave?
Bat cave.
The Bat Cave. I
Bats
forgot.
of the-
Shit.
Yeah,
King
but
of the
but he
bats.
said it's none in here though.
Now you need some light.
It's slim right here, Anna, coming through.
Oh, wow.
Like Kayla could have came in this.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We in a cave in Brazil, girl.
here the view's better. Come.
I don't know how to turn her.
Step, girl, 'cause it's rocks.
I don't know how to turn her flashlight on.
The flashing on
Oh, this is probably just some bad people.
So what's up here?
Come here. It's good to see you.
Yeah, I don't know if I can let y'all leave me at the bottom again. I was scared. It's like glitter.
It do look like glitters on the rocks. You did?
I thought it was.
It's beautiful in here.
So pretty.
The water.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. It's coming down.
Probably have some bats there on the top. Turn off the lights to see.
Derby or something like that. Yeah, I had went there, and there was just too many people on that ring at one time who could escape.
Yeah.
Like I felt like that
I
shit
have
was
to-
dangerous.
I have to get like private or semi-private.
Yeah, or like even if you go with your friends,
Yeah, that's what
like
I'm saying.
a
Like,
couple of y'all,
yeah. Like if I
Girl.
could semi-private with like people who.
it was a whole ring of people who couldn't.
This house.
Oh, a beehive. Like.
Have a walk like what's it called? Maroon, but it's beautiful. We have to walk like 15 minutes around this, go inside the jungle. And here is the exit.
In your videos, can you add like Snapchat videos to it?
I can. I would just have to put them into a different app first because they need to be side by side to fill up the whole screen.
Oh, okay.
I don't like when videos pop up and they
Right.
weird.
Because I can record and then.
Okay, y'all. So they're at the waterfall right now. It's just they said it was gonna be up to my knees in water, and y'all know how I feel about thinking I'm drowning. So yeah. But after this, we're gonna go get some food. I think from the market. So we're probably gonna walk the market and then walk the beach. So y'all can see my new swimsuit. By the way, all the clothes y'all been seeing me wear from Shein. I'm probably not gonna put the links in the description, but like, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if I'm feeling super YouTubery. Yeah. If I'm really good at being a YouTuber, I might put the descriptions and all that. Okay, so this building is the bathroom. I was gonna show y'all the toilet, but no need. But you gotta press this little spring to flush and stuff. It was weird.
I couldn't tell.
And this one
Like,
too.
'cause I didn't really know how to look at them after the picture. Because, like, for me, I wasn't
Some
able
of
to
them I was
tell.
like,
I wasn't able to. And he got a tracker on it. He's probably a tortoise.
It's here. This is like we study biology things,
Oh, yeah.
and they put this to see
To see where
what
they went.
where they are
Yeah.
going, the habits, you know.
we say like even my mama, like they don't, bathroom and stuff.
Biology school. Cause I'm real prepared. Before I put my phone up, you could just hop on down and say hello to the camera if you wanted to, monkeys.
Look at my big old chicken nugget on the patty. No, I'm not boring. I want my fries.